because we are living in this world. And everything in this world is limited. Everything in this world is blemished. Everything in this world is imperfect. And so it is with the way we love. With the way we love here on earth, we are blemished. We are weak. We are subject to temptation. We carry the roots of original sin in our love. Ang sagot po, bakit masakit magmahal? Kasi wala ka pa sa langit. Kung nasa langit na tayo, wala nang sakit magmahal. Habang tayo ay nasa sa lupa, mayroong sakit ang pagmamahal. Mayroong disappointment ang pagmamahal. Sapagkat hindi pwedeng mapuno ng kahit sinong tao o kahit anong pangyayari yung ating pagnanasa na mahalin. There is no one, there is nothing here on earth who will ever be able to satisfy our longing, our deep longing to be loved. So what should we do? First, you have to accept that part of loving is being disappointed by your beloved. You just have to accept. But in addition to accepting that part of loving is being disappointed by your beloved, you must also be honest enough that you have disappointed those who have loved you. You must be humble enough to acknowledge that you have disappointed, you have hurt, you have blemished the love of those who love you. We have been hurt when we loved, but we have also hurt others when they loved us. And therefore, the key is to accept that our love is imperfect, and to accept that the love we will receive will also be imperfect, because this is still earth. We are not yet in heaven. The second thing that we must do if we are so disappointed is to grieve. Cry. Walang masamang umiyak. Ilabas sa luha, sapagkat ang luha nakakalinis ng ating kalooban. Ang luha ay lumalabas sa ating mata, pero pag lumabas ang luha sa ating mukha, nililinis din niya yung sakit ng ating kalooban.